Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today friends, I will be showing you how to make this into dal. This is a very simple recipe and will only take 1 hour of your time. So let's get started. Boil 1.5 liter of water. 100 grams of masoor dal. 200 grams chana dal. For spices I have 1 tablespoon red chili powder, half tablespoon garam masala powder, 1/4 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon cumin coriander powder, and 1/4 tablespoon turmeric powder. Put the dal inside the bowl. And wash it 3 times. I washed it 3 times. I'm now going to put it inside the boiling water. Add the spices. Mix well. And leave it until the water is bubbling. Put the lid on and cover it halfway for 5 minutes, low flame. After 5 minutes, fully cover it with the lid and leave it for 1 hour on low flame. Stir 2-3 times between this time period. After 45 minutes, it looks like this. I'm going to cook this for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add coriander. I have 1 tablespoon red chillies, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, and 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. I'm now going to cook this. Add 1/4 cup of oil. Add the ginger garlic paste. And cook until it's light brown on flame low. Add red chillies. Mix well and add the cumin seeds. Cook for 1 minute. And then add it inside with the dal. Cover it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, it is ready. I'm now going to dish it out. I've dished it out and these are the end results. It looks absolutely amazing and very tasty. You can eat this with naan, chapati and boiled rice. And with that said, make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.